First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
Well, after kind of a sloppy weekend, certainly a humid one for sure, we still have that humid air here over southern Kentucky, and that moisture, that very tropical-like atmosphere is going to be with us for pretty much all the work week. We'll just have these little triggers that will come by, these little upper level disturbances. Each one will bring us a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Right now, there's not much of a trigger in the area. That's why on radar, things are pretty quiet right now. But anything like the sun's energy, if the sun comes out for a while, that could be a trigger that may pop an isolated shower or two. An old outflow boundary from, say, previous day thunderstorms, that could be a trigger. The actual front, though, that will be the main trigger for that series of disturbances has retreated kind of off to the north. There's a lot of instability further south of us, say across Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, southern Tennessee. That's where some heavy rains have been going on all morning. But right now, as we sit, there's not much of a trigger right now, but an isolated shower or two is possible really any place, any time this afternoon. We're at 71. The clouds keeping us, of course, from getting much in the way of sun. Let's check things out as far as the 7-day temperature trend. Average high 89 will be in the low to mid 80s today thanks to the cloud cover as we were over the weekend when we only made it up into the upper 70s. But with a little bit more sun coming into play by the middle part of the week and certainly into the weekend, temperatures will be back into the scorching low 90s. Pretty typical for mid to late August. The heat and humidity combined will make it feel a lot warmer than that. Temperatures right now in the low to mid 70s all across the south central Kentucky area and the Mesonet network. And as you can see, the dew points are in the upper 60s to low 70s, which means not only is it cloudy, it's also muggy. And when the sun comes out, it makes it feel like it's a steam bath effect. Certainly if we had rain, it would very much feel that way. We're getting some dark undersides here to some of the cloud cover as we look down Russellville Road toward the Natural Parkway. A shower is possible really any place, any time. 71 degrees now, south-southwesterly wind at 6, rising barometer. Here's a few weather cams courtesy of our AAA Systems Network. Glasgow, you're cloudy, 75 degrees, muggy. Dark skies over Franklin, 77 there in Simpson County. As we head on out to Litchfield, up in Grayson County, you're cloudy. Temperature at 73. Munfordville, cloudy, 76. Mammoth Cave National Park, looks like a little sun breaking through. Overcast, though, for the most part, 75 degrees. And the Custer Camp up in Breckinridge County, 74 and cloudy there. 76 at the Bowling Green Airport. Lots of 70s and 80s all the way around us. Where there's a little bit more sun, it's muggy and it's hot. 86 in Huntsville, Alabama at this hour. But around us, temperatures are trending a bit warmer than they have the last couple of days. We're 3 degrees warmer than at midday yesterday. Rainfall has been just widely scattered in Kentucky today, except for that little cluster you saw in eastern Kentucky this morning. Only a few sprinkles, a little bit of drizzle here. Nearest organized precipitation, western Tennessee now, northern Mississippi, where they've had some very heavy rain and thunderstorms this afternoon with that front kind of north of us. Not much of a trigger going on here. We may see 1 or 2 showers pop up. Again, only isolated. That's what we're putting in the forecast. Otherwise, warm and humid and mostly cloudy. Briscoe Starling trying to make a live appearance there. 83, your afternoon high. 70 tonight. Chance of an isolated shower. Otherwise, cloudy and muggy. Briscoe, I'll let you have the screen there with the 7-day forecast. 85 tomorrow, 88 Wednesday. Both days a 40% chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms. And then the heat is on for the latter part of the week into the weekend. High temperatures back into the low 90s. Just a pop-up shower or thunderstorm there. We're back with more Midday Live in just a minute.